rocks and minerals. Why would rocks be found near and underwater? Answer. Because when you are at the beach, you see that the waves are pulling the sand and rocks in the water on the wet sand, or the wet sand. The wet sand in the water sticks together, and time by time they get harder and harder and they become rock.
We're going to talk about the poster.
That's our poster.
Yeah.
It has the question, why would rocks be found near and underwater?
And how about the one that,
and that's
the other one?
Picture Raven and Tanvir drew together. It's a beach and rocks are on the sand, and they show the water is like kind of like taking the sand in the water.
Okay. Alright, good. So you can see everybody had a part, did something. Not everyone has to do the technology part. There's other things you can do to make it better. Right? That's how you work together as a group. Alright, thank you. Stop the recording. Stop the recording.